Right, we're in Andover. I'm going to be heading down to the bus station to see if we can get back to the railway station on the bus first. I don't know if we will. Let's see. There you go, I haven't got my radar key. Oh, here's the bus station. Oh, that's the Activ8. Are you going down to the railway station at all?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? How much is it to get down there?
1470, something like that.
Pay on the
You've got a card of it.
I've got phone,
Oh yeah.
Apple,
Yeah.
whatever you call it. I'm in your way, huh?
You can come back and pay it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just come back. We've got plenty of time.
Yeah, alright. That didn't work.
Oh, where's that? Can I read card? Try again.
I'll try it with a card. I got a proper card. If
Yeah.
No, it's not going to work.
Card,
I'll do it with a real card. These phone things are.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Sorry, no. They make it very difficult with the pole in the way. I'll have to go in like that. I like it too. Looking at Oh, I'll do it. We'll just manoeuvre. Should be alright now. There we go. "58 moves." I knew I'd do it in the end. Got there in the end.
I'm sorry, you're in the wrong way. The back's got to be resting against the
I
headrest.
just turn around because
You've got to have the back of the seat against the headrest.
that way.
Yeah. Sorry.
After all that.
Yeah.
Well, at least it'd be easier to get off. There you go. How's that?
Okay, you touching the headrest yet?
Ah. Got a bag in the way.
Right, back into it, yeah? That's it. There you go, there,
Oh well.
I suppose that's in case he has a head on.
Yeah.
He'd be in trouble, wouldn't he? He'd be in trouble.
Whatever. I've never done a bus before, so first time.
First and last.
First and last, yeah. All to save about half a mile. Never mind.
Where are you getting off then?
Railway station.
There's a big one here, go on.
Drove up, yeah. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Well, there you go, that's the bus. That is the bus. I don't know how much that costs, but I'd like to go into Salisbury. So I don't think I would like that. I mean, I could have gone to Salisbury, but no. After all that turning round, you could have told me before I turned round. But hey. Anyway, whatever. Gave the others a laugh.